Welcome. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Roblox and exploring how to showcase your work effectively. If you've created something incredible on Roblox and want the world to see it, you're in the right place. Let's get started with this updated step-by-step guide on adding your work to your profile. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. Once you're in, look for the More option at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap it. This will open up a menu with different options. Next, find and tap on Profile. Now you're on the Profile page. Look for the Edit Profile button, which will allow you to make changes. Inside the Edit menu, scroll down to the About section. Here you'll see a pencil icon. Tap that to begin editing your profile. This is where the magic happens. Enter details about your work that you want to share. Be creative and make it engaging. Once you've added your content, don't forget to tap Save at the top right corner to ensure your changes are recorded. And that's it. You're all set to let others know about your amazing work on Roblox. Happy gaming!